World Health Organization has issued a global alert over 4 cough syrups made in India, which could be linked to the deaths of 66 children in the Gambia. The syrups have been potentially linked with acute kidney injuries and 66 deaths among children. The WHO says the products were manufactured by an Indian company, Made in Pharmaceuticals, which had failed to provide guarantees about their safety. The WHO identified the medicines as promethazine oral solution, phenxaline baby cough syrup, make-off baby cough syrup, and Maghreb Encode syrup. The World Health Organization says the 4 products have been identified in the Gambia but may have been distributed through informal markets to other countries or regions' websites. The Gambia's government has since suspended the use of all paracetamol syrups and has urged people to use tablets instead. The firm has not yet commented.